To mark the Worldwide Olympic Day where they celebrate sports, health and physical fitness, Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa follow Edo Sports Commission Chairman Honorable Desmond Amadi and Abulele waka jog for some streets of Benin City on Saturday to show say them dey physically fit. Under the theme Make We Move Together for Health and Community, the two leaders with people from the Edo State Sports Commission start their jogging from Samuel Ogbomudia Stadium. Then pass Ekenwa Road, go Oba Overamen Square, enter Plymouth Road, waka reach Akenzua Street before then return back to the stadium. As they talk on behalf of the Governor, Senator Monday Okpagolo, Deputy Governor Dennis Idahosa come here proud the Kombuti where start Olympic Day, said the man believes say sports fit change life. A talk say sports they help our body and brain strong, they push us to do better, make us dream big and bring people together. Oga Idahosa come here and say Olympic Day they remind us of the power of sports to connect communities across boundaries no matter where we dey or how we choose to move.
To enhance the world through transformative power of sport. Thus, the Olympic Day serves as an ideal occasion to rise and engage in physical activities. Engaging in sport fortifies both our mind and our body, promoting robust health and well-being. It compels us to strive for excellence and fuel our aspirations. Sport ignites our dream, disseminates joy, and fosters unity amongst us. Olympic Day consistently cultivates connections and solidarities. This is a profound essence of sport. It inspires us to be active, elicit the best within us, nurtures our health, and unite us as friends and community regardless of our location or form of movement we choose. When we partake in sports, it embodies our Olympic motto, faster, higher, and stronger together. Such is the magnificent essence of sport. It propels the world into motion, transcending geographical boundaries and embracing diverse expression of movement.
Honorable Abulele wey flag off the race come talk say over 150 countries for the world they do Olympic Day run, say this run not be to win but to participate, to stay active and to build community. Say sports belong to everybody, old, young, any tribe or background. He come also to raise salute to the sponsors and thank the runners and say them show true commitment to health, sportsmanship and unity.
It is a glorious celebration of the values we have here, excellence, friendship, and respect. These are not just words, but ideas that inspire us to push our limits, support one another, and compete with honor. Today, people in more than 150 countries around the world are running in the name of these values, and we are proud to join them. The Olympic Day run is not just about winning, it is about participation, about being active, and about coming together as a community. It is a reminder that sports belongs to everyone, regardless of age, background, or ability. I would like to take a moment to thank all our partners, sponsors, volunteers, organizers, and most of all, you, the runners. Your presence here is a testament to your commitment to health, sportsmanship, and unity. As we begin this run today, let's carry forward the Olympic flame in our hearts, a flame that burns for peace, for perseverance, and for the belief that through sport, we can build a better and more inclusive world. Let us run not just with our legs, but with our hearts.
Later, then present certificate of participation to Deputy Governor and everybody will follow run for the Olympic Day race for Benin City. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know to take blame. Ekata Ojesili, TMC News.